Director of Family Welfare Services Manipur, Dr. N. Bino, has estimated the total population of Manipur in 2026 to be 33,06,000. Dr. N. Bino was speaking during World Population Day 2026 observance, which was jointly organized by Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Services Manipur and State Health Society, National Health Mission Manipur at Hotel Classic Grand today. State Mission Director of National Health Mission Manipur, Dr. M. Dinesh, Head of Department of Obstetrician Gynecologist RIMS, Dr. M. Rameshwar, Head of Department of Obstetrician Gynecologist Jenims, Dr. Helen Kamei, along with other eminent persons, attended the program, which was held on the theme Healthy Timing and Spacing Between Pregnancies for Well-being of Mother and Child and to Prevent Unintended Pregnancies. Gifts were also presented to districts which have received Best Performing Award during the observance. Speaking in the program, Dr. Bino maintained that World Population Day is being observed on July 11th every year to raise awareness about global population issues, including the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health, and human rights. He added that the world has a 8 billion population and India with 1.47 billion people contribute about 17.7% to total global population. As per Census 2011, Manipur's total population was recorded to be 28,55,794, which include 14,38,000 males and 14,17,000 females. The sex ratio was recorded to be 985 females per 1,000 males. Further, Dr. N. Bino asserted that total population of Manipur in 2026 may touch 33,06,000 with 16,57,000 males and 16,50,000 female population.
Access to the productive health services, family planning, informations, and contraceptives to empower individuals and the families to make informed choice about their reproductive lives, to draw attention to the challenges posed by rapid population growth, such as resource scarcity, environmental degradation, and the socio-economic disparities, to advocate for gender equality and women's empowerment, emphasizing the role of education, health access, and economic opportunities in population management and sustainable development, to focus on the needs and aspirations of young people regarding reproductive health education, access to the healthcare services, and the opportunities for education and employment.